poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with another review, and today I'm going to be talking about possibly one of the cleanest Nike releases in a while, and that is the Nike Class of 77 Blazers. These sneakers were retroed by Nike a few weeks ago. It came out in this Pacific Blue colorway and also in this Habanero Red, as well as a Lucid Green colorway. Pretty much all of them kind of look identical except for the swooshes. The blue colorway was the first one to release in Europe, so I went ahead and bought these. So I ordered these on the sneakers app. It got delivered to me. I opened up the box and the first thing I saw was this super cool retro looking Nike box. I've never really seen a box like these. I'm not sure if all Blazers come in this box, but I absolutely love this box. This is not a box that I'm going to be throwing away. I just think it looks really nice on a shelf. This vintage, super vintage looking box. It even has a little bit of text here written on the box. It says, continued research and constant development are responsible for the athletes of the 70s changing to Nike. So this is it. Actually, this is probably exactly what the box looked like in the 70s, and I think that's super dope. The sneakers themselves are just super retro looking, and it's just such a timeless design. This is a sneaker that has aged really well. Initially when they came out, they were actually supposed to be basketball sneakers, which I couldn't really believe because this shoe pretty much has little to no comfort and little to no ventilation, so I just don't see how you can wear these for basketball. These are terrible basketball sneakers. But when they first came out, they were meant for basketball. In fact, the word blazer actually comes from the Portland Trail Blazers, where the Nike factory is based in. The first time I really got into blazers, I would say, is actually, you know, when the first off-white blazer came out. That was the first time I really got introduced to blazers, and I thought that was just one of the nicest looking shoes in that entire collection. And I missed out on the OGs, but I did manage to cop these ones, the black pair. So yeah, the black one just, it looks super nice, and I just really like this silhouette, and I definitely wanted to cop this in a white colorway. This blue and white is just gonna look so nice with jeans. I already know, like, I mean, it's only February, but I know this is gonna be my most worn sneaker, or one of my most worn sneakers this year. It's just super clean and versatile. The leather on these, not the greatest leather, but at this price point, so this is only $100. I think this is just, for $100, you can't get much better than these in terms of sneakers that look this nice. I do really like these hits of suede that you see on the toe cap as well as the lateral side of the shoe. It just adds a little bit more interesting texture to the shoe. What I like a lot about this sneaker is this tongue. It's got that exposed foam that you see on a lot of the off-white sneakers. It just adds that hit of retro vibe to the shoe. I also like on the back the Nike. It's kind of in this faded blue, and that also just, like, that font is like very retro looking. Comfort wise, not the most comfortable sneakers. Actually, I would say my feet started to hurt, you know, when I was wearing these for like a few hours or so. Like, it's just not very comfortable. But if you're just gonna wear them for a couple hours, it should be fine. As far as sizing goes, I would definitely recommend, if you have wider feet, I say you can go true to size. They would fit really well. I personally went true to size and they fit me great. I think if you have narrower feet, you could even go down half a size because they do fit kind of roomy, kind of big, especially around this toe area. So my sizing recommendation: wider foot, true to size; narrow feet, half size down. Overall, for $100, I really don't think it gets much better than these in terms of looks, in terms of usability, versatility. This is just a great sneaker, and to me, it doesn't matter what colorway you get these in, the red or the green. I definitely like the blue one the best, just because I do wear blue jeans quite a lot, and I think this would look really well with blue jeans. So don't sleep on these. This is the first time that Nike has kind of brought out this sneaker in a long time. This retro, exactly looking like the retro version. And the true sneakerheads definitely were waiting on these and wanted to cop these. So I wouldn't sleep on these. Also, there's gonna be a collab coming out soon with Slam Jam Socialism and Nike. So that one has a black swoosh, and on the medial side, you can probably see the swoosh is inverted. I'm looking forward to grabbing that pair as well if I can grab it. I think those will probably be kind of hard to get because everyone's kind of into that inverted swoosh now, especially because of those Travis Scott Jordan 1s. That is probably going to be the most hyped shoe that's going to drop this year. So I do think those Slam Jam Blazers are going to be kind of hard to get. But if you aren't able to get a pair of these, of those ones, definitely grab a pair of these. Like, these are available right now in a lot of stores. These didn't sell out. So there you have it, guys. That's my review. Thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed the content, as always, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. I do drop videos quite frequently. What's up? I want to say what's up to all my new subscribers. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this sneaker. I want to know which one is your favorite colorway. Are you looking to grab the Slam Jam pair? What do you think of how clean these are, how retro looking they are? Let me know down in the comments. I want to know which one of you guys are really into the retro sneakers. So On Feet coming right now. Peace.